6 bottles, 3 distilleries, 1 house. Suntory's lineup runs from a $30 blend to a collectible near $900, yet Kakubin, Toki, Hakushu 12, Yamazaki 12, Hibiki Harmony, and Hibiki 21 all come from the same 3 sources. What changes from bottle to bottle, and what is the buyer paying for? This guide breaks down all 6, starting with the one most drinkers outside Japan have never heard of. First up, Chapter 1. Kakubin, the one nobody outside Japan knows. This liquid first arrived on October 8, 1937, carrying the formal title Suntory Whiskey 12 years, though it has since transitioned to a no-age statement format to meet massive consumer demand. Drinkers quickly called it Kakubin, meaning square bottle, because of its distinct turtle shell glass design. Conceived by founder Shinjiro Torii, the blend combines sweet malt whiskies from Yamazaki and Hakushu with clean grain whiskey from the Chita distillery, which acts as the flavor base. During the 1950s, Kakubin established itself as the foundation of Japanese highball culture, fueled by the popularity of Suntory's national network of Tories bars. Today, the IWSR tracks it as Japan's best-selling whiskey, though its footprint remains largely concentrated within domestic borders and select parts of Asia. Priced at $30 to $40, it serves as the entry point of the portfolio, where value lies in absolute consistency, high-volume production, and decades of cultural familiarity. For the buyer, this is an uncomplicated, easy-drinking table bottle designed specifically to be cut with cold ice and sparkling soda rather than sipped neat, acting as a reliable, everyday choice. In second place, Chapter 2. Toki, the highball blend built for the West. Suntory introduced this expression to the North American market in June 2016, with a Canadian release following in July, at an initial price of $39.99. Today, it occupies the $35 to $45 tier, acting as the primary gateway for international buyers. Unlike Kakubin, which remains a domestic staple, this blend was formulated specifically to succeed on global shelves. Master blenders constructed the liquid with a core of crisp Hakushu single malt aged in American white oak barrels, balancing it with select Yamazaki malt and heavy-type Chita grain whiskey. Bottled at 43% alcohol by volume, the formulation yields fresh green apple notes and a clean vanilla-sweet finish. For the buyer, the value here lies in reliable mixing performance. It is a modern blend engineered to maintain its structural integrity and flavor profile when diluted with cold sparkling water and ice. By keeping the price accessible, Suntory provides a dependable house bottle designed to bring the traditional Japanese highball experience directly to bars and homes outside of Japan. Third on our list, Chapter 3. Hakushu 12, the forest single malt that vanished. This bottle represents the moment the lineup moves from accessible, highball-focused blends into serious single malt provenance. Distilled at the Hakushu distillery, founded in 1973 at an altitude of 708 meters within the forests of the southern Japanese Alps, the liquid draws its identity from a protected site where 83% of the grounds are designated as a nature reserve and bird sanctuary. The wash is fermented in wooden washbacks and benefits from pure granite-filtered mountain water, maturing primarily in American oak bourbon barrels under a cool alpine canopy. The resulting spirit is famous for a crisp, gently smoky profile marked by distinct herbal, piney, and green apple notes, a direct reflection of its highland environment. In 2018, overwhelming global demand depleted aged stock, forcing Suntory to halt production and causing the bottle to vanish from retail shelves. Its highly anticipated return in March of 2021, after roughly a 2-year absence caused by the global stock shortage, solidified its status as the premier entry point to serious Japanese single malts. Today, at a retail price typically ranging from $100 to $140, buyers are no longer paying for high-volume blending. Instead, they are investing in mountain terroir, single malt pedigree, and the sheer scarcity of age-stated Japanese spirits. In fourth place, Chapter 4. Yamazaki 12, the single malt that proved Japan could compete. This landmark liquid originates from the Yamazaki distillery, founded in 1923 near Kyoto, at the precise meeting point of 3 pristine rivers, the Katsura, Uji, and Kizu. As Japan's oldest whiskey distillery, this historic site provides a humid, fog-laden microclimate that allows the spirit to mature slowly and develop deep flavor. The distillery's global pedigree is firmly established. Yamazaki Expressions won the prestigious Supreme Champion Spirit Award at the International Spirits Challenge for 3 consecutive years, from 2023 through 2025, with Yamazaki 12 securing the top honor in 2024. Its highly celebrated flavor profile centers on delicate honey, bright orchard fruit, and the elegant sandalwood spice of native Japanese Mizunara oak. Currently retailing between $130 and $180, its value has climbed significantly, bolstered by a domestic price hike of up to 18% in 2022. At this tier, the investment goes directly toward legendary pedigree, international award momentum, layered cask character, and the physical scarcity of a highly coveted, age-stated single malt. Fifth on our list, Chapter 5. Hibiki Japanese Harmony, the blend where everything comes together. Introduced in 2015, this expression represents the point where Suntory's blending tradition shifts into a highly polished gift tier showcase. While the core single malts focus on individual distillery character, this blend reunites Yamazaki and Hakushu malt spirits with clean Chita grain whiskey. Chief blender Shinji Fukuyo carefully balanced these components, layering the combined spirit across 5 distinct cask types. These include American white oak, sherry casks, and rare native Mizunara oak, which adds a light incense aroma to the profile. This release succeeded the original 12-year-old expression, allowing the house to manage its aging stocks while maintaining flavor complexity. The physical presentation is integrated directly into the bottle's story. The elegant decanter features 24 distinct facets, with each facet symbolizing a single micro-season of the traditional Japanese calendar. Typically retailing from $85 to $120, the purchase price secures refined blending expertise, extensive cask variation, and celebrated design. This flagship expression is crafted specifically for neat sipping or slow enjoyment, acting as a natural bridge between accessible highball blends and highly sought-after age-stated collectibles. For enthusiasts looking to understand the house style, it delivers a masterclass in balance without the dominance of any single distillery. And finally, in 6th place, Chapter 6, Hibiki 21, the bottle at the top of the ladder. This expression represents the absolute ceiling of Suntory's core lineup in age, rarity, and collector pricing. First released in 1989 alongside the 17-year-old expression to celebrate Suntory's 90th anniversary, it carries a strict minimum age statement of 21 years and is bottled at 43% alcohol by volume. The complex blend combines rich Yamazaki malt matured in Spanish oak sherry casks, fresh Hakushu single malt, and clean Chita grain whiskey. Its legendary status is backed by immense critical acclaim, having been named the world's best blended whiskey multiple times, with the 2013 award specifically cementing its reputation, alongside a 96-point score in Jim Murray's Whiskey Bible. This exceptional pedigree yields a highly complex flavor profile characterized by deep-dried fruit, dark chocolate, and elegant Mizunara-driven incense spice. With current retail prices commonly exceeding $800, the buyer is paying directly for extremely scarce, long-aged stock, rare cask maturation, and premium collector value. Ultimately, from everyday pour to luxury collectible, each bottle on this shelf serves a precise purpose in a century of blending tradition. This is Uncorking Japan. Please subscribe to the channel to explore more of Japan's finest spirits. Across this lineup, price reflects rarity and time rather than quality. From casual pours to luxury blends, Suntory utilizes the same core distilleries to showcase the absolute mastery of Japanese blending. This is Uncorking Japan. If you enjoyed this guide, please like and subscribe.